Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make this rotating doll. Reuse your old plastic cookie jars and turn it into a toy. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more of these crafts. So, let's get creative, shall we? For this craft, we will be using 800 ml plastic jar with a lid, a plastic lid with 6.5 diameter, a thick cardboard, card paper, an A4 colored paper, some crepe paper, mounting board or cardboard, double-sided tape, ribbon, paint, colored pens, chopsticks, glue, pencil, a small screwdriver or anything pointed, pair of scissors, and a plastic straw. Let's get started. Take the plastic container. I have here a round shape following the size of the lid. We'll use this to easily find the center and mark it with a pen. Poke a hole in the center with a screwdriver. I'm also using pointed scissors to make the hole bigger. The hole should be big enough to insert a drinking straw. We can try to use chopsticks to test it out. On the container, measure about 2 centimeters from the ring. Mark and poke a hole in it and use a chopstick to test it out. Then take the smaller lid and make a hole on it as well. The hole should be big enough to insert a chopstick in a drinking straw. On a cardboard, draw 2 circles with 4 centimeters in diameter, and also make 2 circles with 5 centimeters in diameter. Then cut out all the circles. Then make another small circle and a 2 by 6 centimeter rectangle. Then cut a 1/2 centimeter strip of paper. We need the wheels to be 1/2 centimeter thick, so we're going to glue the 2 circles together. Fold the rectangle and glue it together. Then put enough glue to stick the paper strip on the side of the circle. Do it on both circles. Then find and mark the center using a pencil. While waiting for the glue to dry up, let's make a handle. Make a 6 by 4 centimeter rectangle using a mounting board. Fold it in half and snip the sides. Then take a chopstick, measure 7 centimeters and cut it. Add glue and only stick on one side of the handle. Let the glue dry and set it aside. Now take the circles or the wheels. Grab the smaller circle and using a hot glue, we'll be putting bumps on the side of the wheel. Make sure that the bumps are consistent and not too thick. Put it aside and make sure that it's completely dry. We can now assemble the parts together. Take the small rectangle and insert the straw into the hole. Pull the straw out enough for you to hold it. And cut at least 3 centimeters. Make sure that the straw is long enough to hold the stick. Then glue and flatten the excess straw at the back. Then I just cut a small rectangle to conceal the back. Before we stick it to the jar, we need to make sure that it'll be aligned and straight when we put the chopstick. Mark it with a pen and use a hot glue to stick it. Test it out if the chopstick can rotate nicely. To connect the handle, mark and cut the chopstick if you find it too long. For the lid, cut at least 3 centimeters of straw. And insert it into the hole. Insert a chopstick into the straw. Make sure that it's not too tight for the chopstick to rotate. Take the chopstick and cut it into 5 centimeters. Let us now insert a small circle into the small container. This will serve as a stopper. And take the wheel with the glue bumps and put it in the center. Then take the lid, put the chopstick into the straw, and push it into the hole of the bigger wheel. Test it out if it's working before we glue it all together. Adjust the placement of the wheels if needed. For this part, make sure to put enough glue to the wheel and the chopstick. This will keep the wheel aligned and straight while rotating. For this part, make sure that the glue is only touching the straw and not the stick. I decided to add another stopper for the top wheel to keep it from swinging. We can now put the smaller lid on top. For the doll, make a cone using half of the colored paper. Cut the excess paper to make the cone stand. Fold the paper card into half and measure 7 centimeters. And start drawing the face of your princess. Trace it with a pen. Then cut out the picture. Leave some part for the neck. Get another paper card and trace the shape. to be for the back of the head. We can now color our picture. Let's not forget to make the hands too. Her clothes measure about 3.5 inches of crepe paper. For the top, measure about 2.5 to 3.5 inches. You may want to follow the size of your cone. Make the neckline and the sleeves. To make a nice skirt, gently pull and stretch the bottom part. You can use a pen to give it the flowy look. Then stick a double-sided tape and attach it to the body. For the pleats, make tiny folds as you stick it around the body. Cut some paper for the belt. And cut 2 inches of paper for the sleeves. Insert the arms into the sleeves and add glue. Add some glue and attach the head to the body. Turn it over and stick the arms, followed by the hair. You may want to add some paint and decorations on your jar. Let's add a bow using crepe paper. You may use glue or double-sided tape to attach the doll to your jar. And there you have it, your very own rotating doll using a plastic jar. I hope you had fun making this craft dance today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.